Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to make an animated title in Openshot video editor using the integration with Blender. But before I get into the video, in case we never met before, my name is George Shamoun, and on this channel I create video tutorials about video editing, live streaming, screencasting and recording, creating SVG files, and web pages using Visual Studio Code. So if you are interested in any of those topics or software and how to use them, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any future updates. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an animated title in Openshot video editor using the feature of Blender, the built-in feature. And I have on track number 4 about 3 video clips here, like they're from my 2019 trip to Lebanon. So let's add this title here. I'm gonna go up to the title menu and you go down to animated title, and this is the sign of the symbol of Blender, and you left click the mouse and you can end up with this screen here with this window, and on the top it says animated titles between parentheses powered by Blender, and you got those options here. So let's use this option. I like this one, the wireframe text. So no, okay. So first you get this window here, and what's gonna happen, the file name, you have to give it a name. Let's give it my title. Start again. Okay, so you gotta give the file name a name here. So let's give it title1, and here where it says title in a title field in this box, you can add whatever you wanna type. So I'm gonna type here 2019 Lebanon trip. Okay, and there are options here. I don't know exactly how to use them. I never changed them. I have to figure out how to fine-tune this animation. So I'm gonna leave them as is now, but I just want to show you how to create that title. So now you go down and you hit render. Once you hit render, you have to wait. You have to wait because the if you look here, it says initializing, and then it starts creating the frames, because the animated title or animation, it's so many frames together, you know, back to back. So it starts now creating those frames and at the end, once it's done, you have the final animation, because it's so many frames in sequence. So it takes sometimes, like this one is 250 frames. It's gonna take a while, but it start creating it here, and when it's done, you'll see how it looks like at the end. And then it's gonna create a file name, and you can see it in a project folder space here, where you see the assets, the project files. You can see it here, and then you can give it another name. So now it's being created. So it's frame 28 out of 250. So once we get to 250, it's gonna show you that it's done, and then you can run it and you'll see how it looks like from the beginning to the end. But once you play it, it's not gonna be like this. It's gonna take a couple few seconds, you know. But now, because it's being created and it needs a lot of processing power, so So now we're at 37 and 38 and 50. And you have other options too, because you got so many templates here under the Blender box, animated titles. So you can choose any one of those. Each one has different effects. So but now I selected this one. For some reason I like this the most. I tried it before and I liked it, and I'm stuck on it, but I can use other ones. But that's just an example. So you can use any one of those. Like this one, it shows you a magic wand. I don't know exactly what it does. This one here, fly towards, I tried it. So you can type the title you want, and once the animation is done, it shows you the title coming towards you, and